Alright, let's see what we got over here. We have, we're on 12 meters. We kind of camped out on 12 meters today. I was seeing some stuff pop up here and there. Let me see. Lots of FT8. Let's check 10 again, just see what we get. So now I have to completely adjust the band for my taste, because we're looking at 27,900 to 29,800, and I don't want to look at that much of the band. 28,400 to 29,300. So now we're in a bad spot where we can see some signals here. Let's zoom in a little closer, or wait, which way I want. 28.4. We're at 28.3 right here.
Appreciate stopping by, Steve. Where's that? n3ks. There he is. Bob at 59. Thanks, stop by. Where's that? Take the Whiskey 9, 59.
Must be.
Got it, Kurt. Thanks a lot. Appreciate it. 7-3. Let's get the Kilo 3 with an Oscar, 59. Got it. Ken, you're 59, okay?
I don't know if I'm tuned up for here.
30NW, thanks. Tango 5 stroke November 3 kilo sugar.
Nope.
This station was a Delta Yaesu Lima, you're 59.
We'd probably go in the backyard and set up a different radio.
59, okay. Alright, thanks for the 5 and 7. Tango India 5 stroke November 3 kilo sugar.
Wow, that's a long one. Tango India 5.
Kilo Charlie 1 Whiskey Foxtrot Tango 59. Okay, thanks. Whiskey Alpha 8 Kilo Lima 59.
Pretty strong.
Okay, appreciate it. Now, is that Whiskey Alpha 8 Kilo Lima, is that right? Got it all. Go to DA. Thanks. Now, who's the other station ending Tango? QOT. Appreciate your patience. You're 59.
I always think how cool it would be to go to some of these places that these guys operate from. I mean, imagine just going to all these places in the Caribbean and all over the place, and all these crazy islands.
Got it. November 9. Thanks.
Most of us will never be able to do any of that in our lifetime, unfortunately.
Oscar 6, Delta Juliet India 59.
There's so much of the world to see. There's just to experience it in a lifetime would be so difficult. We just have to be grateful and happy for what we do have. Some people have absolutely nothing.
Okay, hang on, Kilo Charlie 9. Now the Kilo Charlie 7 Golf Juliet Tango, you're 59, okay?
I'm half tempted to go set my radio up in the backyard and try the little NFET antenna.
You went away. Kilo Charlie 9, Radio Zulu X-Ray 59.
I know I can work them from this radio. I just have to tune the tuner.
Thanks for patience, Tim. Appreciate you stopping by. Tango India 5 stroke November 3 kilo sugar. 7 AVE 59. Thanks, appreciate it. Where's that? C4PGP 59.
I don't hear anybody that he's talking to either.
Alright, thanks. Now is the K0?
So a lot of these guys, I used to work from a mobile, and
Kieran, thanks. Where is that?
there was a guy in Belize that was on here all the time. I'd get him all the time.
Okay, sorry guys, got a lot of noise all of a sudden. Try it again.
This guy was really strong for a few minutes there.
Alright, we'll take the Whiskey Zero. Whiskey Zero, your call.
The band must be moving around.
W0DN.
Anyway, if you guys are on 2844.5, maybe try them. I'll catch you all later.
Where is that?
I might set up my portable radio.